How to download TD Bank statement. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to view, print or download statements on TD app, you need to follow the simple steps. First, go ahead and log into your TD online banking account through the TD Bank application. From there, you need to tap on My Accounts and then choose the account that you want to view. Select the Details tab and tap on All Statements. Select the statement period that you want to view, and if it's a credit account, you can tap on Download, and you can view and download up to 7 years of online statements and up to 6 months of other documents. Keep in mind that you will only see statements and documents from when you switched to online delivery. Historical statements won't be available. And if you already get some statements online, your account history starts from when you made the switch. And printing directly from your device depends on your phone and its settings. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.